Hey everybody, so today we are working on a 2003 Articat 500. It is an automatic, and this particular one, my brother-in-law rebuilt this engine a few years ago, and the head was not torqued down correctly. And one of the problems he had and I was having was finding the cam location, the cam gear marks. So here are the flats on the cam. And that is the marks they're talking about. A lot of things, even in the manual, is talking about small dowel pins. Well, so I kept looking at the dowel pins and thinking that it needed to be like this. And that's kind of how this one was. But you want to have these two flat marks here lined up flat with the top of the rocker box cover, or rocker box. So, and then you want to get your chain on and take your slack out. And when you're doing these type of chains, it'll be on this side where your chain adjuster is down here. You want to make sure all the slack is on this side so that when you screw that tensioner in, that when you tighten it up, you want to make sure that this stays like this. And you can rotate this engine over 2 revolutions without it running by hand off the crankshaft, and make sure both your crank mark lines up again as well as this, and then final assemble it. But I would definitely recommend putting your keyway down into, or your half moon holder, cam holder in, and then marking this and getting your chain, working your chain on. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day.